Okay, hello. My name is Madhu Vanwari. I have been in education line from past 20 years. Out of those, 12 years in the school teaching, and I have done my MSc and B.Ed and CIE Cambridge University in bio online training I have done. Fundamental unit of life. Now, what is the meaning of fundamental? Fundamental means the basic thing. Now, I will give you the example first of human body only. Now, human body is made up of many organ systems like respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system. So, all these systems are made up of organs. Now, as we think about the organs, organs itself are working, but these organs are made up of what? These organs are made up of the tissues. Now, tissues, if you go in detail, the tissues are composed of cells. So, basic thing which is performing in our body is a cell. So, that is why we call it as a fundamental unit of life. Now, how do these cells were discovered? We saw from the history the organism as a whole. Now, one scientist whose name was Robert Hooke, he just made his own microscope, or in the olden language if you say, it is a kind of a magnifying lens, and he observed the slice of cork under that lens. And when he observed lens, under the lens he saw this kind of structure. These were the cork cells made up of very small compartments were there. So, he gave the names to these compartments as a cell. Now, I have written over here cells of an onion peel because later on with the manufacture and finding of more microscopes, compound microscopes, and more innovative things came out, and we saw the onion peel under the microscope, we saw this kind of structure. So, this is the one cell. Okay. Now, there are many organisms on the earth. There are unicellular organisms like amoeba also, you might have heard the name amoeba. And in the amoeba, all the activities, body activities are conducted by just one cell. So, that is why they are known as a unicellular animals. But multicellular animals like human being and other, you can say the names, dogs, cats, whatever animals we see around, they are multicellular and they are performing the systems according to their organ systems.